Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best track saws that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of rough cuts, chipped edges, and wasting expensive wood panels? Traditional circular saws can be messy, inaccurate, and difficult to control, especially for cabinetry, furniture builds, or professional woodworking. If you want clean, straight, splinter-free cuts every time, this tool changes the game. This is the Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS, a premium professional track saw system that comes with a 55-inch guide rail for ultra-precise cutting performance. The TS55 features a powerful high-speed motor that delivers smooth and accurate cuts through plywood, hardwood, MDF, and sheet materials. Its plunge cut design allows you to start cutting anywhere on the material safely and precisely. The included 55-inch guide rail keeps every cut perfectly straight while reducing splintering on both sides of the blade. Festool's fast-fix blade changing system makes swapping blades quick and easy without hassle. It also includes excellent dust extraction support, helping keep your workspace cleaner and safer. The saw is compact, lightweight, and extremely smooth to operate, making it ideal for detailed professional work. Pros: extremely precise and clean cuts. Excellent build quality. Outstanding dust collection. Smooth plunge action. Professional grade performance. Cons: very expensive compared to regular circular saws. Accessories and replacement blades can also cost more. Maybe overkill for casual DIY users. This saw is best for professional woodworkers, cabinet makers, furniture builders, contractors, and serious DIY enthusiasts who need high accuracy and premium performance. If you regularly work with sheet goods or fine woodworking projects, this tool is a fantastic investment. At around $669, the Festool TS55 is definitely a premium tool. But for professionals who value precision, reliability, and cleaner results, it delivers excellent long-term value and performance. Number 4. This is the Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit, a versatile 7 to 1/4 inch track saw designed to cut wood, metal, plastic, and more, all with one included TCT blade. The R185 CCSX comes with a 40-inch track system that helps deliver straighter and cleaner cuts compared to standard circular saws. Its powerful corded motor is built for multi-material cutting, allowing you to work on wood, plastic, aluminum, mild steel, and other materials without constantly changing tools. The included TCT blade is engineered for durability and smooth cutting performance across multiple surfaces. It features adjustable cutting depth and bevel cutting capability, making it useful for flooring, woodworking, DIY builds, and renovation projects. The saw also includes a dust extraction port to help reduce mess while working indoors. Compared to premium track saws, this model offers a more budget-friendly way to get precision cutting features. Pros: affordable price for a track saw kit. Can cut multiple materials with one blade. Easy-to-use guide track system. Good power for DIY and workshop tasks. Excellent value for beginners and hobbyists. Cons: track system may not feel as premium as high-end brands. Dust collection is decent but not perfect. Heavier and louder than some professional models. This saw is ideal for DIY users, home renovators, workshop hobbyists, and budget-conscious builders who want track saw precision without spending premium money. It's especially great for users who need one tool capable of handling different materials. At around $180, the Evolution R185 CCSX delivers impressive value for the price. You're getting a complete multi-material track saw kit with guide rail included, making it one of the best affordable entry points into precision track saw cutting. Number 3. This is the Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit, a professional-grade 6.5-inch track saw system that includes a 55-inch guide rail and stackable tool case for precision woodworking and clean straight cuts. The Makita SP6000J1 is powered by a smooth and reliable corded motor designed for accurate plunge cutting in plywood, hardwood, MDF, and sheet materials. Its precision plunge mechanism allows controlled entry cuts with excellent stability and safety. The included 55-inch guide rail helps deliver splinter-free straight cuts, making it perfect for cabinetry, furniture work, flooring, and trim projects. Makita's variable speed control allows better cutting performance across different wood types and materials. It also features electronic speed control for smoother operation under load and a soft start motor that reduces startup jerk. The built-in dust collection system helps keep your workspace cleaner when connected to a vacuum system. The stackable Makita toolcase makes storage and transport easier for professionals on job sites. Pros: extremely smooth cutting performance, excellent precision and cut quality, reliable guide rail system, strong dust collection capability, professional build quality and durability. Cons: premium price point. Guide rail accessories can become expensive. Corded design limits portability compared to cordless models. This saw is best for professional carpenters, cabinet makers, furniture builders, remodelers, and serious woodworking enthusiasts who need highly accurate cuts and dependable long-term performance. It's especially ideal for workshops and job sites where precision matters most. At around $668.71, the Makita SP6000J1 sits in the premium track saw category. While it's not cheap, the precision, smooth operation, durability, and professional-level cutting results make it a strong long-term investment for users who work with wood regularly. Number 2. This is the Makita XPS01PTJ18VX2LXT brushless cordless plunge circular saw kit, a powerful 36V cordless track saw system built for professional-level precision cutting without the limitations of a power cord. The XPS01PTJ uses two 18V LXT batteries to deliver 36V brushless motor performance, giving you strong cutting power with cordless freedom. Its brushless motor improves efficiency, extends runtime, and helps reduce maintenance compared to brushed motors. The plunge cut design allows smooth and controlled cuts in plywood, hardwood, MDF, and sheet materials. When paired with the Makita guide rail system, the saw delivers extremely accurate, splinter-free straight cuts for cabinetry, furniture making, flooring, and trim work. It features variable speed control for optimizing performance across different materials and applications. The cordless design makes it especially useful for job sites, installations, and locations where power outlets are limited. Makita's automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque automatically for smoother performance under load. The included 5.0Ah batteries provide solid runtime, and the fast charger helps reduce downtime between jobs. Pros: cordless convenience with strong 36V power, excellent cut quality and precision, smooth plunge action, quiet and efficient brushless motor, great portability for professional job sites. Cons: very expensive setup, guide rail sold separately, heavier than some corded track saws due to dual batteries. Battery runtime may require extras for long work sessions. This saw is ideal for professional carpenters, cabinet installers, remodelers, finish carpenters, and serious woodworkers who want premium cordless precision cutting. It's especially great for mobile job sites and users who prefer freedom from power cords. At around $779.35, the Makita XPS01PTJ is a high-end professional cordless track saw system. While the price is premium, especially since the guide rail is sold separately, the portability, precision, and cordless performance make it an excellent investment for demanding professional users. Number 1. This is the Bosch GKT13-225L Precision Track Saw, a professional-grade 6'1/2" plunge saw built for ultra-accurate, smooth, and splinter-free cutting in woodworking and construction projects. The Bosch GKT13-225L features a powerful corded motor designed for clean and consistent cutting performance through plywood, hardwood, MDF, and sheet materials. Its plunge action mechanism allows controlled entry cuts with excellent precision and safety. The precision track saw system delivers straight, accurate cuts that are ideal for cabinetry, furniture making, flooring, and finish carpentry. Bosch designed this saw with smooth glide performance, helping reduce friction while improving cut quality. It also features variable speed control, allowing better adjustment for different wood types and cutting applications. The saw includes advanced dust extraction support, helping keep the workspace cleaner and improving visibility during cuts. Its compact ergonomic design and included carrying case make transport and storage easier for professionals working on multiple job sites. Pros: extremely accurate cutting results, smooth plunge action and rail performance, strong build quality, excellent dust collection support, professional level precision and reliability. Cons: premium price tag. Guide rail may need separate purchase depending on package. Corded setup limits portability compared to cordless options. This saw is best for professional woodworkers, cabinet makers, contractors, finish carpenters, and serious DIY users who demand clean, straight, high-precision cuts. It's especially ideal for workshop projects and professional installations where accuracy is critical. At around $719, the Bosch GKT13-225L sits in the premium professional track saw category. While it's definitely an investment, the precision, durability, smooth operation, and professional-grade cutting performance make it worth considering for serious woodworking professionals. If you want professional-level precision and cleaner woodworking results, check the link in the description for more details and current pricing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tool reviews and workshop gear recommendations.